How to sell your designs on Canva. What's up everyone? In this tutorial I'm going to show you guys how you can start selling your designs or templates on your Canva. But before we begin, make sure to head down below to like the video and subscribe to the channel as well. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon so you get notified about our new uploads. Let's get started. So here I'm on my web browser. So here you just want to search for canva.com. And once you open it, make sure that you are logged into your account. If you don't have an account, make sure to create one. So as you can see right here, I've used my Gmail to create an account. Now all you have to do here is join the Canvas Creator program. In order to do that, you just need to open a new tab and then search for Canva Creators. Once you search for it, you will see this very first link of the Canva Creators. Just click on it. And now from here, click on Become a Creator. And you will be welcomed by this homepage where you have different options to choose from. Like if you want to create free or pro templates, you can choose the first one. If you want to create illustration, icons, videos, or photos, you can choose this one. Or if you want to upload some educational resources, you can choose the third option. So let's say if you do graphic designing and you create different logos, illustrations, and other stuff like that, you can choose this option right here. I'm going to go with it right now. And now you will be taken to this Canva Creators form. Now all you have to do here is fill out all of your name. So you'll have to enter your first name, your last name, and then choose the email that you have logged in to your Canva from. And then after this, select your country, your preferred language, and you can choose what you can contribute to your Canva. After you have filled out all of this form, just click on submit. And it says, thank you for your expression of interest. We'll be in touch when we are ready to onboard more creators. So this means they're currently not hiring any new creators. You will just have to wait. But let's say if they reach out to you and then you will be selected as a creator, then you can start uploading your files and your documents there and then price them accordingly. If you found the video helpful, hit the like button below and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll catch you guys on the next one.